Hey everyone, it's Tech Bullets here, and today we're talking about the TWS earphone. Mind you should know what the meaning of TWS is, True Wireless Sound. Let's go into the video. This is the TWS6, and this is how it actually looks. Funny enough, this is the packaging it came in. Very funny, right? Yes, this is the packaging it came in. It came with this packaging with a cord and the manual, and that's all that was inside. I don't expect much from this earphone because it's actually cheap and it's under $5 too, and it's affordable to buy and it's really good too for the price. Let's talk about the specs. It has not so good bass. The sounds are not so clear. The mics are bad and it doesn't have a Type-C port. So yeah, in 2023 we need a Type-C port because everything is actually being Type-C now. So yeah, we need a Type-C port in 2023, and I actually plugged it so that I can be showing how it is because it's very low. Now when it comes to the premium look, I won't say this as a premium look, but it's fully plastic. Yep, it's fully plastic. It doesn't have a premium look, but it's okay. It's actually 0% and it's getting very low. So I'll need the charger to charge it. And it's up again. It doesn't have a premium look and it doesn't have a premium packaging. As you can all see, this is the packaging. Very funny. And this is how it is. I have some cons about this particular earphone, and I will tell you. Number one, it doesn't last long, especially the earphones itself. Aside from the case tries. The case can charge the earphones like twice or thrice most times, but it doesn't last at all. Maybe 5 hours, 6 hours usage. That's one. Number two, you can also see that there are scratches on it. So yep, using this thing with a case is the best you can do. Like I told you, the name is TWS. It doesn't have like a serious name where you can say this is the company that made it. No, it's just TWS, which is True Wireless Sound. And lastly, it charges very slow. You can't charge this thing and expect to take it in 1 hour time. No, it charges very slow, but yeah, it's manageable. I got this earphone for $3 and it has been always good. Despite the low price, the low quality and everything, it has been always good. It has been always manageable. So yeah, I can recommend you to buy this. I'll leave a link in the description to my AliExpress page where you can actually meet a seller and place an order for this, and you will not regret it, I tell you. I would likely take down my complaints on this because it's very cheap, it's very affordable. Anyone can buy this. Any class you are, middle, rich, anyone can buy this. So I didn't expect the best out of the company that made this, the Chinese brand that made this. So it's just great. So after a while, you observe that the battery depreciates, the sound depreciates, and things get bad. You are not meant to use this for long, but for the meantime, you can be using this and you can manage it. Okay, a like, a subscribe, and a share on this channel would be very nice. Thank you.